One is, Han, if you're not known as a good actor, just be known as a good human being. So that's what I try to live my life by. And another thing is, don't fear that Friday.
वेलकम टू द सिद्धार्थ कनन शो। तड़प रही है इंडस्ट्री की फॉर दिस मैन। ये कब डेब्यू करेगा? और जब इसने डेब्यू किया है, अंगार की तरह कर रहा है। आहान शेट्टी, वेलकम टू द मूवीज ब्रदर।
Thank you so much.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स तारा सुतारे के लिए ताली बजाओ। आहान, कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन। ये ऐसे क्यों कर रही हो? यू आर यूज्ड टू इट। तुमको मालूम है कि लोग तुमको नेशन क्रश बोलते हैं।
This happens every time जब मैं आपके शो पे आती हूँ, आप ये सब बोलते हैं, and then I just get very shy. It's too sweet.
ये सच्चाई है। आहान, जेन्युइनली बोलो, जब तुम्हें पता चला कि तुम तारा के साथ काम कर रहे हो,
जी,
तुमने अपने कमरे में डांस किया, सौरव गांगुली की तरह अपना टी शर्ट उतार के फेंका कि मैं तारा के साथ रोमांस करने वाला हूं,
जी।
फिल्म छोड़ो, तारा मेरे सामने बैठी है, सच सच बताओ।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, sir. Actually, when we first met, we were doing a screen test, and I was actually very scared. When we were doing this screen test, I was petrified. I was shaking. I was trembling.
Why?
I don't know why. It was just something new for me, It was
He
my
didn't
first
sh-
screen test.
But you didn't show it. I couldn't.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. But Milan sir and Sajista still make fun of me for it. And after that, when I found out that she was part of the film, I was very, very excited because I know she's a fantastic performer. So
क्या बात है, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। पर बताओ तारा, तुम कैसे इंटिमिडेट करती हो यंग हैंडसम बॉयज को ऐसे यार?
Intimidate मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करती. I think luckily Ahan and I got on literally from the beginning. पहले ही दिन से शुरुआत से हमारी equation इतनी comfortable रही है, thank God, because for this kind of film also I think it's so important. And luckily we just got on so well.
गिव ईच अदर हाई फाइव, कम ऑन, हाई फाइव। तो यानी कि कहीं हार्ट बीट बढ़ा नहीं, क्रश वश हुआ नहीं? क्योंकि जिससे भी मैं बात करता हूँ ना, लोग पागल है तारा के बारे में।
That's really sweet.
no, nothing like that. I think we were.
ये कूल प्रिटेंड कर रहे हैं नहीं, मनी में ये मस्ट बी, ही मस्ट बी डूइंग अ ततर ततर डांस आल्सो यार।
Oh God.
No, nothing like
That's
that.
just in the movie. That's
Yeah,
his, I think
that's
his intro in
my
the trailer.
yeah, almost yeah.
That's exactly how he danced in the.
No, I mean we were friends from the start, As soon as
We just keep making fun of each other. I think
Yeah,
that's
we're
our
just-
relationship is we're just like
Yeah,
even
just-
if there's कुछ भी था फिल्म में या ट्रेलर में जो आपने देखा होगा that you might have thought, oh, this might have been funny or awkward. I think we were just constantly making each other laugh, which has just been the best part
Yeah.
of our equation.
तो माने तारा भी तुम्हारी सीनियर भी है
जी।
तो ऐसा कभी होता है कि जब तारा बैठती है तो बोलते नहीं पहले तारा बैठेगी फिर मैं बैठूंगा, फिर तारा का टाइम क्या होगा, आई विल एडजस्ट माय टाइम, ऐसे वैसे होता है सीनियर्स का, वेटरन्स इन द इंडस्ट्री?
I see.
Yeah, sometimes I have to call her Tara ma'am.
What rubbish! ये झूठ
यू डिड,
बोल
मुझे
रहा
बहुत से लोगों ने बोला।
I
I think-
she come on set like, oh, good morning, Tara ma'am.
है। Oh, ये झूठ बोल रहा है. First
आई हर्ड
of
शी
all-
गॉट अपसेट विद यू आल्सो कि एक टाइम तुमने बस बोला कि तारा एंड यू सेड अरे आई एम सॉरी, यू सेड
Yeah.
Good one,
Even when
guys.
Milan sir just said Tara, she was like, come on, man.
What rubbish! ये झूठ है, I must say. No, you also chilled out
No,
on
it
the
was a very
set.
chilled out set.
But he's very polite. He always does actually say, Tara, you sit first, Tara, you walk
Yeah, I
into
don't
the
think
room
if
first.
it's anything to do with being a senior or not. I think you just have to show people.
शिवलरी है इसको कहते हैं। अब शिवलरी का स्पेलिंग बताओ दोनों मिलकर बैठ के।
I know the spelling.
Let her
Ahan.
spell it out.
अन्ना 24 घंटा चौकन्ना, राइट? तो मुझे जेन्युइन बताओ, मैंने अपना पहला इंटरव्यू किया था सुनील शेट्टी के साथ इन 1994। आई डोंट थिंक तारा वाज बोर्न आल्सो।
I wasn't born.
यू वर बोर्न?
No.
No, he wasn't born. I wasn't born.
Yeah.
Both of you not born.
95.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same.
या तो 1 year बिफोर आई डिड इट। बोलो मुझे भी सलाम सर।
Sir.
गुड। ओके, जेन्युइनली अन्ना इतने इमोशनल इंसान है।
Yeah, very.
Right? I mean, I've seen him having tears in his eyes when I bought my first car.
Right.
What is that one emotional thing जो अन्ना ने तुमसे कहा होगा about this journey that's going to be with ups, downs, falls, facing sharks and brotherhood too?
Definitely. There are two things he's told me that have really stuck with me. One is, Han, if you're not known as a good actor, just be known as a good human being. So that's what I try to live my life by. And another thing is, don't fear that Friday. Maybe your film won't work, or maybe your film will work, but never be scared, and learn from your mistakes and carry those mistakes into your next film, and just.
अन्ना ने तुमसे भी बोला कि नहीं कि देखो मेरा बेटा आ रहा है, ख्याल रखना तारा, कंप्लेन नहीं मिलनी चाहिए?
You know, he actually came to set when we were shooting in जब हम मसूरी में shoot कर रहे थे. This must have been a year and a half ago. एक साल पहले शायद.
2019.
Or before the pandemic.
December
before the
2019,
pandemic,
yeah.
actually. And I think Sir and Man came for just a day. and it was so nice. They were so warm on our set. बहुत ही मजे करे, and it was just lovely to have them on our set.
You know, इस फिल्म में it's about a breakup where the guy, the character can't handle the breakup और फिर वो बहुत strong reactions करता है. Tell me instances when you may have had breakups and आपका reaction भी इधर का उधर था or you handled it very well. Tell me, have you had anything like this?
Actually no, which is kind of why it's so fun to do something like this film, because I personally haven't really experienced something like this. Even I think my character is such, which unfortunately hasn't been shown in the trailer, but that's for a very good reason, which you'll see in the film. I think Ramisa's character is so different to me in real life, and that's also a good thing. If anyone knows the story, they know why I'm saying that. But no, I actually haven't experienced something like this in real life. Again, thank God. But that's why it's just been so much more fun to play her.
One thing you learned from your breakup, so क्या था?
One thing I learned is, you'll always find you make mistakes. Help me out here.
I don't
know.
know.
You've never been through a breakup.
No, I mean I have, but I mean not in this way.
I mean,
obviously,
my last breakup was almost 10, 11 years ago. So I was so young.
when Ahan was 2.5, basically.
So I'm 12 now. Is that what you're trying to say?
Essentially.
Yeah, I just kind of,
I think there's so much learning
Yeah,
in
there's
any
so much
kind of
learning.
heartbreak. And that's why I think people, when they watch the film, hopefully they will connect to those emotions, because I think, the way Ahan has portrayed it, the way we've sort of come together to make this as real as we can for the audience as well. I think there's a lot of realness maybe Ahan has taken from his real life. I don't know, from before, but
I think one thing you learn is that you just have to accept it and give that person who breaks up with you that respect. Like, okay, this is their decision, and even though maybe you don't want to break up with them, you just have to respect that. Okay, you do kind of
That's what
tend
they
to.
need at that
Yeah, that's what they need at that point.
तुम्हारा जो पहला था तो वो तो वन साइडेड था, जैसे बहुत बार मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. आई एम आउट ऑन अ डेट विद अ लेडी, मेरे दिमाग में आई एम इन अ रिलेशनशिप अकॉर्डिंग टू आई एम बेस्ट फ्रेंड यार. तो ये कभी कभार होता है ना, इन योर ओन माइंड यू हैव इल्यूजन्स ऑफ ग्रैंडियर एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. टॉकिंग अबाउट लव, योर फर्स्ट लव, वो क्या रहा है?
Do you mean in general, or do you mean obviously in a relationship?
Anything, whatever I say, first love. मम्मी मत बोल देना बस.
नहीं, mummy,
I was going to
that's
say that
different.
only.
different kind of love. I think first love, music. Absolutely obsessed, always since I was a baby. Yeah.
And absolutely यार, देखा जाए, she's like a complete package right now यार.
Oh,
माने
definitely.
इसको साथ बजट भी बचा सकते हो आप, डांस भी करा दो, सिंग भी करा दो, ये सब करो. Your first love.
My nani, I was very, very close to my nani. She passed away when I was 11 years old. So I was so in love with her. I think I was closer to her than I was to my mother. And I still miss her till this day. And I also want to carry her legacy forward. She has her own foundation, Save the Children India, which is now Vipula Kadri Foundation. I feel like what you do on screen is very important, but what you do off screen is also as important. How you help the community and how you help the people around you.
Your nani is blessing you from the heavens above right now, and we all
hope
can
so.
feel it. यार एक comment मैं पढ़ रहा था online, उन्होंने कहा ये कबीर सिंह का बाप है ये film. They've said that.
Right.
Absolutely. But उसके साथ भी कबीर सिंह की भी trolling हुई थी because of the reaction of the protagonist to how when a lover leaves him क्या react करता है, उसमें भी हुई थी. वो fears है तुम्हारे साथ, तारा?
मुझे नहीं है. I think it's a very different kind of film, although I do understand why the audiences, when they watched our trailer or understood a little bit about our story, would probably feel that there are similarities. I think that they are very different worlds of films. Ours is a young love story in which, like you said, both our characters are very, very intense, very differently. There's a reason for why you saw what you saw in the trailer, and I think that when you watch the film you'll understand why that is, and I think it's completely justifiable for the simple reason that the emotions that his character faced in the story, it justifies why if you watch the film. And I think creatively you're allowed to make these things. It's a movie, it's a fictional story, it's not real, so I think it did make sense in the story.
You brother.
I feel like at this point in time, trolling is a part of our lives now. Everyone has their own opinion, and you have to respect everyone's opinion. Even if they troll you, you just take it, you just accept it. And I just feel at this point in time, yeah, don't let that get to your head. You just have to do what you love doing and don't let the outside pressures get to you.
मैं बोलूं, he sounds like a person जो 50 साल इंडस्ट्री में ऑलरेडी है. He sounds like such a wise soul. Please pat him on the back from my side. मैं बहुत दूर बैठा हूँ. शाबाश मेरे शी,
Thank you,
शाबाश.
thank you.
एक बार तुमने और मैंने एक रील किया था और उस समय सारे कमेंट्स आए कि आप तारा सुतारिया के साथ डांस कर रहे हैं. So one kid actually messaged me saying, how would one propose to Tara Sutaria? What kind of a proposal would she like?
Oh my, a really private one. I'm a really private person, so I think good question actually. Yeah, one that involves me and the person that I love. Just something very, very personal and private that's not necessarily shared with a lot of people.
Or
Yeah.